the same on multiple screens. This is the reason to disable HDR actually, that on some screens HDR will look different. And this also depends on the processing. And I prefer the HLG format because HLG is made to look good on SDR on the screens that are not HDR and also on HDR screens, but it also depends if you start processing the video, then it's going to look different. Here you see with HLG, HDR, the brightness is a little bit different. You will not really notice, but you know all the videos we upload on this channel everything is done in HLG. So there is nothing BT709 or Rec.709, and this is the reason, because it looks better. I like how it looks like. But if you don't want HDR, you can't change that. And multiple cameras, they will have more simple options on different camera apps where the settings are more simple, not with so many things on the screen like here. Then you will only have an HDR or SDR option, and you don't get to choose the actual format. The files, they will not have anything special about them, but there is metadata into the files. There are things inside the files that will have the information that this video is a HDR. It's basically the frame, the light, the brightness of each frame. Especially if you use HDR10+, the videos on this channel are recorded in HLG and exported as HLG HDR10+. Extra metadata on top of it. If you're not sure if you want HLG, HDR or SDR, I suggest to use HDR and share it with someone. On some apps, when you share the video, it might look a bit different. But recently, these things have been fixed. Try to use HDR if you can, but you can use SDR also. Thanks for watching.